Greetings, hello from Srečko from Slovenia. Today I will introduce to you one amazing crypto project, uh, which I am quite sure it will change your life on better. So ITC Global. ITC means International Trans Community, Gaming and Crypto. ITC background. It was created in October 2020 by the Trons community, the community which has 13,000 plus promoters worldwide. ITC will be accepted as payment in many online crypto gaming sites. It will be at least 300 to 400 online games. You will use ITC as payment. ITC is the favorite crypto for world's first fantasy gaming sites. Since its inception in October 2020, the value of ITC spiked to 0.02 cent. Actually, today price is 3 cent. Currently, ITC is listed on Coinsbit. This is largest European crypto exchange. Windax.com, JustSwap, CoinGecko, and it will be listed on many more soon. And within 2 months, you will see ITC coin also on the largest global crypto exchange, which we call Binance. Currently, ITC Global has 40,000 business partners, promoters, and about 1,600 highest positions from Diamond and more. ITC is the first token. ITC is the first token with an end-to-end solution for gaming portals on blockchain. It is the next evolution of alternative assets. So for what we can use ITC coins? We can use for the gaming, for paying for ITC online games, affiliate marketing, and we can also use ITC coins for the DeFi or decentralized finance. For example, you buy for $100 thousand ITC, and every month you will get 3% interest. So it means that every month you will get 30 ITC coins extra. And we know that coins will grow rapidly. So this is really excellent for the investors. ITC Global advantages. ITC is a gaming coin and is easily deposited on ITC gaming sites. It has got the fastest withdrawal time with a very small transaction charges. The same ITC coins can be used to participate in the ITC Global program. Networking or affiliate marketing. For the first time in the history of cryptocurrency DeFi programs, ITC Global packages have 90 days money back policy. And anyone can withdraw from the program after 90 days from the date of registration. I know many these crypto projects, but I don't know one single to offer to the members money back guarantee. It means that we are in serious projects, so we are not afraid to lose money. Advantage number 3, the DeFi plan is 100% designed on ITC coin. Since ITC is listed on various exchanges, it is easy to buy, sell with any crypto. ITC is available in TRC20. This is Tron's blockchain, and coming soon also to BEP20. ITC coin will be backed by the world's fastest blockchain. The world's fastest blockchain is DARTS blockchain, which will be launched end of this year, maybe sooner, in Russia, in St. Petersburg. So DARTS blockchain will host the Arch coin. So the Arch coin will be a coin on the DARTS blockchain. What is the power? the ArchCoin will be first token on Darts. ArchCoin will be substitute for gaming. Like we can pay games now with ITC. So in future, near future, we can pay with ArchCoin also. Also the gaming. Airdrop for ITC, it means now you are getting for free ArchCoins, no matter which membership you will buy. ArchCoin will be also listed on many different exchanges. ITC business plan. We have 12 packages or membership: 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, 6 star, 7 star, diamond, blue diamond, black diamond, royal diamond, and crown diamond. So price, if we want to become 1 star, we are going to exchange and we are buying 300 ITC, or we can buy also the Trons because ITC is using the Trons blockchain. Also, you can see, even if you buy 300 ITC, the company is donating you 100 ArchCoins. So if we are 5 star, if we want to be 5 star member, we need 4,200 coins, ITC coins, and you are getting 1,000 ArchCoins for free. So Crown Diamond, we have to buy 450,000 ITC on the exchange, and we are getting 10,000 ArchCoin for free. So this is very important. I'm sure that ArchCoin will not be 2 or 3 cents. The limit is unlimited, actually. This is the price, for example. Now I say the price of ITC is 3 cents. So from 0.1 cent to 0.66 cent for 300 ITC, we get 300 ITC for $12. So the next phase, when ITC will go from 5 cents to 10 cents for this 300 ITC will be worth $30. So when ITC will grow from 10 to 20 cents for the 300 ITC, worth will be $60. When ITC price is going to from 20 to 40 cents, 300 ITC will be worth $120. When ITC price is going from 40 cents to 80 cents, the value will be of 300 ITC will be about $240. And when ITC price reach $1 or $2 for 300 ITC, it will be worth $300 or $600. 1 star ITC global package price control strategy. So for example, if one ITC coin price is $10, maybe after 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, I believe it will be more than $10 after 2 years. But for example, so for 300 ITC, we will get 3,000 euro. And today, when it is 3 cents, so we are giving $12 for 300 ITC, which can be after 2 years, $3,000. So this is the beauty of the crypto project. So this is the artificial intelligence. Everything is automated, so we don't need to think too much. This is ITC global package price control strategy. So 1 star membership, 1 star pack. For example, ITC price from 0.1 cent to 0.66 cent. We get 300 ITC for $12. So when ITC price is going from 5 cents to 10 cents, we will get 200 ITC for $12. So when price ITC will reach 10 to 20 cents, we will get for $12 100 ITC. So when ITC is going from 20 cents to 40 cents, we will get 50 ITC for $12. So when ITC price will reach 40 to 80 cents, we will get for $12 25 ITC. When ITC is reaching $1 to $2, so we will get 10 or 5 ITC for the $12. This is the price control strategy. The price will always be the same for the membership. It will be okay. Few dollar or few euro, there will be difference, but not a lot. So this is 1 star. Now, as ITC is 3 cents, we see we are getting for 1 star membership 300 ITC. If we want to be 2 star member, we get 600 ITC. If we want to be 3 star member, we need 1,500 ITC. If we want to be 4 star member, we need to buy 2,400 ITC. If we want to be 5 star member, we need 4,200 ITC. If we want to be 6 star, we need 6,000. We get 6,000 in this moment. If we want to be 7 star, we get for 12 euro now 12,000 ITC. If we want to be diamond, in this moment we get 24,000 ITC. If we want to be blue diamond, we get 60,000 ITC now. So if we want to be black diamond, we get 150,000 ITC now. If we want to be royal diamond, we need 279,000 ITC. And if we want to be last position crown diamond, we get 450,000 ITC. But now you see the difference. When ITC will soon reach the price value of 0.5 to 0.6 cent, then you see the difference. Then you will get for $12 or 12 euro, you will get 200 ITC. When ITC coin value is 10 cents to 26 cents, you will get 100 ITC for $12 and so on. Phase 4, 20 to 46 cents, you will get 50 ITC for 12 euro. So the phase 5 from 40 cents to 86 cents, you will get for 12 euro, you will get 25 ITC. And as I say, when ITC will reach value of $1, you will get 10 ITC. If ITC is $2, then of course you will get only 5 ITC. So now is the proper moment. ITC Global Education Packages, this is coming very soon. I think in September or October, very soon. Creating digital presence, creating sales content, driving sales from social media, customer service, online social media, influencer, program masters. These are really great educational packages. One bonus, level bonus, 12 level bonus, bonus number 2, ITC doubles bonus, world fastest 2x program, and number 3 bonus is ITC Elite promo bonus. So we have 3, actually 4 with gaming bonus. Smart split technology, 100% distribution. What is the meaning of this? For example, if you are 1 star for 12, you get for 12 euro, you get 300 ITC. So what is company doing? 50% of your ITC, this is 150 ITC, is going in double bonus, and 150 ITC is going to 12 level bonus. It means that company is giving 100% of membership back to the people. Company is taking only 3% from transactions. So this is also one of the beauty of the company. Level bonus, what is level bonus? For example, this is you. You are free. You are a free member. And for example, this is the first company in the planet that you can, as completely free member, reach 1 star or 2 star or even crown diamond for 35,000 euro. This is really amazing. So, for example, you are a free placement and you are sponsoring, you are inviting 5 friends. For example, you don't have 12 euro and you are a business person, you are looking for opportunity, you have many friends, you have good mobile and you want to do business and you want financial freedom. So how is this going? You as free member invite your 4 friends, you see here, and your 4 friends, everybody will buy 1 star membership for $12 or 12 euro. So from every single your friends, you will get 25% of their 300 ITC. So we can see automatically when your 4 friends are buying this 1 star, you are automatically becoming 1 star member. And what is also amazing, even if you are free member, you are eligible for commission. You as free member, you never lose any commission. For example, this is you. You are free placement. You are free member. You will join, for example, Freddy. Freddy will buy for $12 first 1 star membership. He will get 300 ITC. And from him, you will get 25% of this, his 300 ITC. It means you will get 75%. Freddy is business-minded person. He wants to reach the top. So Freddy will go to 2 star. From him, you will get 200, altogether 200 ITC. Freddy will go upgrading from 3 star. You will get 600 ITC. So Freddy is going to the crown diamond and you will get 247,500 ITC. So this ITC, this commission is waiting in your back office and it's ready that you can upgrade yourself. For example, this is you are 1 star. This is level 1. From everybody, we get 25% or 300 ITC automatically. Then we have second level and we have third level, and this is going up to the 12th level. So now, for example, you are 1 star and you are in level 1, you will join your friend Freddy. Freddy will be 1 star, and from Freddy, you are getting 75 ITC. It means 25% commission from first level. In this case, this is 75. So Freddy will join Maria. This is your second level. In second level, you are getting 5% commission, or in this case, 1 star case, you will get from second level 15 ITC. So Maria will join Marian, and Marian is your level number 3. So from level number 3, we are getting 2%. And in this case, we are getting 6 ITC. So from level 3 to level 12, we are getting 2%. In 1 star case, from everybody, we are getting 6 ITC coins. We can see here. So this is means first level, 25%. Second level, 5%. Level 3 to 12 is 20%. So altogether, company gives 50% in the 12 level bonus. So this is example, one pack. So 150 from 1 star, company is giving 50% to the level bonus. So in 2 star is the same, just the numbers are different. If you are 2 star and your friend join as 2 star, you will get not 75 like here, but you will get 150. And this is every position is different. So we can see ITC 12 level bonus reference card. I already said, if your friend is 2 star, for example, you will get from him 150. From your friend's friend, you will get 5% 30, and 3 level to 12 level, you will get 12 coins. So if somebody your friend will join as diamond, then you will get from him, if he is your direct, you will get 6,000 coins. And then if your friend will join in second level, somebody, you will get 5% or 1,200 points. But not only you will get 1,200 points, you will get also this 600, you will also get 300, you will also get 200, you will also get 120, you will also get 75, you will also get 30, and you will get 15. So you will get almost 2,000 coins, because everybody must join as 1 star, then person go to 2 star, so 3 star, 4 star. So we always, if I buy now diamond, automatically I already buy also 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, 6 star, 7 star. So we always start with 1 star. ITC double bonus. For example, I am 1 star. I am 1 star. So system is providing me 4 placement for free. So I'm getting 4 members, and from this member, 50% is going to me. So double bonus means after 3 months or 4 months or 5 months, I will get from 300 ITC, my 300 ITC will double. So this is double bonus. This is without work. You don't need to work affiliate marketing. You will get double bonus, and then again you will get double bonus. So in this case, if I am 1 star, I will get 300 ITC extra. So after 3-4 months, I will have 600 ITC coins. Now another thing is happening. No. Some challenges. Some challenge. So from double bonus, 10%, this is 15 ITC from every 1 star position. This is going to the promo bonus. Yes, this is 2x pool. This means promo bonus. This is third bonus. Okay, so if you are buying 2-star packages with 600 ITC, system will join you for donate to you 4 2-star members, and from everybody you will get half coins, and you will get after 3, 4, 5 months you will get 1,200 ITC, and this is always repeating. This is repeating no matter which position are you. So if you are 4 pack, you will company will give you 4 4-star members, and from this is going 400 ITC towards 2x pool, which is actually promo bonus. So it means 1 star, we need 300 ITC, so double bonus means 600, but as we see, it's not completely the 600, but it is 540 because 10% of double bonus is going to promo bonus. So, and this is the third bonus, ITC Elite promo bonus, 100% of 2x pool for diamonds and above. This is the last 5 position. So this is, we say before, how is this connected? So if I'm 1 star member, company provide me 4 star members free, donate to me. And from every this 3 star member, I'm getting their half coins. So 150, 150, 150, 150. So it means this is 600 coins. This is my double bonus. But from this double bonus, from every position, 10%, in our case, 15 ITC is going here in the 2x pool. This is promo bonus. Okay, ITC Global Elite promo bonus. So from every membership, if we are 1 star, 15 ITC is going to the pool. If we are 2 star, 30 ITC is going to the pool. If we are diamond, 3,000 ITC is going to the pool. If we are crown diamond, 22,500 ITC is going in the pool. So this is the promo pool. So company is giving 20% equally to every diamond position. Points allocation system. So if we are this self-upgrading ourselves, no matter which, this is blue diamond, this is diamond, we are getting 3 points. And this means that every month, for the 3 months, every month we will get extra this ITC coins. It's only for 3 months, no matter which position you are. Black diamond, royal diamond, crown diamond, for 3 months. For example, points allocation system, this is you. First level, first time only, diamond, you will get 1 point. You are blue diamond, you will get the same 1 point. You are black diamond, you will get 1 point. You are royal diamond, you will get 1 point. Your crown diamond, you will get 1 point. And 20% of pool is going to each of these last 5 diamond position. For example, the total pool allocation in a month is, for example, 1,000 ITC. So 20% is 200,000 ITC for the diamond. So, for example, total number of diamond points in a month is, for example, 100 people is the members is diamond, and this is sharing 200,000 is divided by 100. So we get 2,000 ITC for each. 1 point means 2,000 ITC, 2 points means 4,000 ITC. If we have 3 points, this is 6,000 ITC, 10 points is 2,000, 20,000 ITC. And every diamond point also get 1,000 arch coins for free. ITC games, from September, many games will be integrated in our this website, ITC games. This is how our website, gaming website is looking. So from September, many activity will start to happen in our ITC Global website. ITC games. These are the 4 games which will be possible to play in our ITC gaming website. Skilled games, fantasy sports, Insta games, casino games, game profit bonus. Also, this is one really amazing decision from company. If everybody is getting also for free some coins from the game profit bonus or game pool. So 14% is going from all these games. We are getting 40%. This will be shared to the members. So for example, 1 star get 2%, 2 star pool get 2%, 3 star pool get 2%, 4 star pool get 2%, 5 star pool get 2%, 6 star pool get 2%, and 7 star pool get 2%. So this is the 40% altogether will be shared to all these members or position from 1 star to 7 star pool. This is you. No matter which star you are getting 3 points. And this is also valid every month. For 3 months, you will get extra ITC. Points allocation system, this is you, level 1. No matter which position you are. If you are 1 star, you will get 1 point. If you are 2 star, you will get 1 point. If you are 3 star, you will get from 3 star pool, and so on and so on and so on. For example, total game profit pool in a month is, for example, 1,040,000 ITC from 1 to 7 star. So this 1,040,000 ITC will be shared from 1 to 7 star. It means every star will get 2%. It means 200,000 ITC. And this is I do to understand more. For example, this is total pool, and here is 1,040,000 400,000 coins. So equally, 7 star will get 200,000, 6 star will get 200,000 ITC, 5 star will get 200,000, 4 star will get 200,000, 3 star will get 200,000, 2 star will get 200,000, and 1 star will get 200,000. And now, for example, if there is 6,032 1-star members, all these members will share this 200,000 ITC. So this is a little bit more clearly to understand this game bonus. This is just example for the game profit bonus for the 3-star. Total number of 3-star points in a month is, for example, 1 3-star point is 200,000 ITC divided by 400. It means that one point is 500 ITC. This is just example for 3 stars. So 1 point is 500 ITC. If we get 2 points, it's 1,000 ITC. If we have 3 points, is 1,500 ITC. And if we have 10 points, is 5,000 ITC. This is just example. Elite game credits for diamonds and above. So If we are diamond, we are getting 2%. If we are blue diamond, we get 4%. If we are black diamond, we get 6%. If we are royal diamond, we get 8%. If we are crown diamond, we get 10% of game credits. This is level 1, 1 star to 7 star. ITC advantages. Gaming industry, the global gaming market reached 162 billion in 2020. It means this is so much amazing, strong industry. It surpassed film industry and music industry. This is amazing power of the gaming industry. Online educational packages, smart split technology, everything is going on automatically. Dart, our own super fast blockchain, it will be launched October, November, or December in the Russia, in St. Petersburg. It will be a great event. Free Archcoins, every position. If you are 1 star, you buy for $12, 300 ITC. The company is donating you 100 Archcoins. So this is very important. Package price control strategy, money back policy. I don't know one single company to give you money back policy, no matter. Free registration. Welcome, your journey. Let's begin. And this is a little bit why ITC Global has no competition. Even free member can reach top position without investing one single cent in the company and become financially independent. Which company, which project offered to you so much amazing opportunity from 0 cent to crown, diamond? I don't know for any such company. So shortly, this is project for the masses. Free member never lose commission. Smallest joining only €12 or $12. A 90-day money back guarantee. Dart, the fastest blockchain in the planet, our own blockchain. It will be launched after a few months. Archcoin will be on Dart's blockchain and will also support gaming industry. ITC Coin is backed with the power of gaming industry. What is the limit for ITC Coin growth? There is no limit. I'm sure after 1 year, at least €1 for one ITC coin. This is simplest and most lucrative business project of all time. Grab the opportunity and fulfill your dreams. These are the prices for the stars. So if you want to become 1 star, you need 309 ITC, and this is about 10 to €12 now. If you want to become 2-star member, you need 927 ITC coins. It means it's about €25. If you want to become diamond, you need 52,000 ITC, and the price for diamond is 1,400, 1,500 euro about. If you want to become crown diamond, you need 1 million ITC, and it costs you about 30,000 euro. So this is from my side.